Students, we are going to study the pre-secondary scholarship examination standard 8 held in February 2020. If you give or you have to try this exam current year, and for this as a practice, today I will show you last year paper. Medium is English, paper is 1. So what is the basic questions and how you solve this scholarship paper? If you pass this scholarship paper, you can get a scholarship money if you get first class in this exam. And for getting the first class, you must learn and practice very carefully. So what is the main basic questions and answer I will show you from this last year paper. So before start this exam, the paper says that read the following instruction carefully before you answer the questions. First, the questions paper contain two sections. In section 1, there are 1 to 25 sections of first language, and in a section second, there are 26 to 75 questions of mathematics. All 75 questions are compulsory. There is no any excuse in all these questions. All questions carry 2 marks, means 75 into 2 is equal to 150. So this paper is having 150 marks. Time limit to solve this paper is 90 minutes. Fourth, separate answer sheet is given to record the answer. Each questions has given 4 alternatives. Read them carefully. Select and darken the correct answer in the answer sheet. There is a separate answer sheet and separate questions paper the examiner will give to you, and from that you have to select the option and dark your answer like given in this paper. So a separate answer sheet. So for example, if the correct alternative for questions number 6 is a 2, then record your answer as follows. Question number 6, 1 is open, second is dark, third is open, 4 is open. So maximum 20 questions are having 2 correct alternatives. Candidate has to darken both the circle with correct answer. These questions will have the instruction select 2 correct alternatives. For example, if the correct alternative for question number 8 is 2 and 3, the record your answer as follows. Question number 8, first no answer, second is answer, third is answer, fourth is not answer. So dark second and fourth. Somewhere your answer may be second or third, maybe, or 1 or 4th. So if the option 2, there is a 2 options for your answer, you have to darken 2 round. Answer recorded in any other form will not be considered. Such answer will be credited with 0 marks. Like this, if you give your answer like this, like in this position, so this is called 0 mark. Use blue or black pen to darken the circle. Circle darkened by pencil will not be credited. Only use blue or black pen in this exam, not to use pencil. If your pen, block pen or darken pen becomes empty in between the exam, you have to suggest your teacher to provide the same, but don't circle darken by pencil. It is not valid. Once answer once recorded cannot be changed. If you if you're going to change the answer, this is not valid. So once recorded cannot be changed. The rough work is to be done in the space given under each page or on the last page of the question paper. If you want to rough work like a calculation, plus minus or whatever, so you have to do your rough work on a space given under each page or on the last page of the questions paper. The exam has a limited time. In case you are not able to solve questions, kindly solve the next question. In the end of time permits, you can try to solve the questions. So first lessons we have to study from this is that first check the questions paper. Whatever the easy questions you have to write down first, and then you, when there is enough time, you have to again check your questions paper and solve the difficult questions from this questions paper, so that easy paper questions cannot be incomplete. If incomplete or wrong questions found in a questions paper, you are not permitted to ask time to supervisor or center in charge. School parents should not return application to block education officer or education officer for any error, mistake, objection. These error, mistakes, objection issue should be registered online through respective school login only. The error, mistakes, objection issue should be registered online within 10 days from the publication of the interim answer key on MSC website. Suggestion and decisions of expert committee will be applicable on a printing or any other mistakes in a questions paper. So you have not individually the rights. These all papers are prepared by expert committee. So this is the instruction video I show you. So if you want to prepare for this exam, and what is the benefits of this exam is you can get a scholarship money every year in 8th, 9th and 10th. So it becomes easy for your future education. So students, don't invest your time in a mobile. You have to choose this exam and earn money for your future study. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to those who are ready and willingness to give this exam. This exam is not a tough exam. All the books are available in a market, so you have to purchase it and give the exam, so that in a future it becomes very useful for you to take admissions and get money through the scholarship. Thank you very much.